Nice to meet you. I'm Jess. This is a little bit about myself, so we don't have to do a 15-minute coffee chat. I started coding when I was 14. Worked at small companies, so I was working at Media Shaker as a just a junior web developer. So I worked that all through COVID, and then after that, kind of got tired of coding. So I was just focusing on school. After I graduated, I went back. I had my own little agency for a while, so I was doing custom web dev. Sorry, so it would be React, Next, and any UI, UX, whatever they wanted, I'd sort of whip up. And I did that for a couple months, and then I got tired of it. I went to India with my family. I came back, wanted a fresh start, so I went into car sales. So I was selling cars, learning how to talk to people, getting a little bit more personable with people. Trying not to be a nerd, but I did that, and then I thought I had this like calling, and then I dropped selling cars so I can do stand up comedy. So I did that for about 5 months selling cars, and then I did comedy for a month, and and then after that I went to school for electrical engineering. So like worst case scenario, I'm just the funniest guy I've ever met. But yeah, first year of school, I was elected first year president. So I was in charge of running events, like organizing little things so that people can like relieve stress, because first year engineering is quite tough. So I was pretty honored to have that role. And that summer I went straight back to selling cars. I don't know why I didn't apply for any internships. I was actually like, I think I just had a bad mindset at the time. And yeah, so after that summer, went back to school, pretty excited. I joined this club called ARVP. So it's called the Autonomous Robot Vehicle Project, and we make a robot that goes underwater, and they can do all sorts of tasks based on computer vision, and it's super cool. I'm working on the electrical team, and right now, so far, I've learned the basics of Altium, like how to make a circuit, how to read a data sheet, very crucial stuff. Helped me a lot in the electrical labs, and right now I made a power distribution board, and right now I'm working on modeling a battery in MATLAB. So like trying to get figure out the state of health and the state of charge, so I can make a better optimized BMS. So I'm doing that right now, and right now I'm actually at my internship in Calgary. So right now I'm working for Peloton. It's an oil and gas software company. So what we do is basically, in oil and gas, like a lot of data is like super important. So we make sure that the quality of the data is like the highest. So we do that by auditing a lot of the data that comes in. So making sure everything's like spell corrected, and like end date, start date, everything's all good to go. Optimizing productivity, because like just a loss of time on the field is equates to millions over time. So we have that, and since it's a huge software, people need to get trained and onboarded on. So I'm on the implementation team. So I work with like big oil companies. So an example is like Synovus. So we're working on with them to figure out our software so that they can implement their drilling, completions, production, everything. So right now I'm doing that, and I get to write the odd script here and there. So I'm writing Visual Basic scripts as well as PowerShell, and yeah, it's been a great time. I really like talking to people and training customers. Um, but I'd love to be a little bit more on the technical side. But yeah, I still love my job. Also love to read. Right now, I'm reading the Nicomachean Ethics. It's super cool. It like something I really like about it. It has like the mean of virtue, so like two extremes and the virtues in the middle. So like and I feel like that's a very big idea, because like you can try too hard or too little, but like you have to be right in the middle, and that's very hard to do. But yeah, super cool. I have a blog. I like to do judo. I think it's like super important to keep your body healthy as well, not just your mind with your books and stuff. But yeah, I've attached my resume below, and if there's any skills that I'm missing that are critical to this job, just let me know. 6 months should be enough time to learn it. My next internship's winter 2026, or even after that maybe. Okay, so thank you so much, and you have a great day.